Hey, it's Steve, and today we're gonna tear out this disgusting roof. When I bought this house, it had this back roof here, and it was enclosed, but half of it was rotten, and right now it just needs to go. So this is how I dismantle this thing by myself. The issues I have inside are my electrical panels. They were wired this far away from the house, and I've got this mess of cords coming back. So I need to figure that out before I can take this roof down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut around this area, and I'm gonna take down each side, and then I'm gonna address the center, so there's a whole lot less weight and less risk for ripping out my power. So I'm up here and just peeled back a layer of the asphalt paper that was up there. As you can see, most of it was gone over that way, and even the places it was, they're soaked. This thing's completely rotten through. This is the support. I'm gonna try not to get on this thing because I don't trust it, quite frankly. So I will keep prying this off one piece at a time. All right, so I did end up getting up here. You can see the one 4x8 sheet I removed, and I climbed up there to tear off the rest of the asphalt paper because that really made it hard for me to take that piece off. So hopefully the rest should go by pretty quickly. All right, so I'm at kind of the break in the midpoint right here. The battery died, so I thought it was a good time to say, hey, got most of the sheathing off. I didn't have to cut anything. It ended up prying right off, so that's nice. And here we go. I'm gonna go back to it. Well, I got the roof down, but I failed you. I wasn't recording while I got the last 3 pieces down. But anyway, all I did was the last rafter was hanging there, and I took that burke bar, pried it up, and was holding the supporting beam up, and then once I got that top piece off, I just lifted up the beam and threw it forward. And you can see this mess below me here. Gotta load this in my truck and take it to a dumpster. But that's how I got this roof off, so stay tuned. I will be showing you how I rebuild this back area. All right, so we'll look at the aftermath. So now the back of my house is completely exposed, but that's okay. That's gonna motivate me to work harder.
Thanks for watching and subscribe below.